We had come to the town of Mazunte in the southern part of Mexico. The town is located between the mountains by the coast and has some very interesting things to see. We had stayed in a bungalow up in the mountains, and today we would explore the town and the coast. Right by the town there's also a viewpoint called Punta Cometa that sticks out into the ocean. The area is famous for the incredible mountains and beaches, and also the really amazing houses along the coast.
We have been staying here in some little cabin, not as nice as the other days, but not bad either. Look at the ceiling.
We woke up in the little bungalow for $25 per night, or 500 peso.
The bounce is so bad in this one. That's, I think, how you know if a bed is good. If it's good bounce, then...
I had tried out the bounce in the bed, but now we were on our way down to the beach to explore this area and enjoy an incredible breakfast. The local people were getting ready for the day, and we were walking down one of the only roads leading down to the beach and through the town. I had lived in Mexico for more than 10 months, and now we were in the southwest part of the country in the state of Oaxaca. The day before we had come from the town of Puerto Angel and passed by Zipolite and San Agustinillo, but today you will see those places also.
It's a really nice town here, a bit of a hippie town, but really cool. All the streets are nice, so many shops and restaurants, and nice palm trees and good nature. We're gonna have some coffee here now by the beach. There are lots of restaurants here, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna take a taxi over to the nude beach. Somebody was naked over there. I've heard that there's a nude beach here on this side called the Playa Zipolite, so we're gonna go there later today, but it seems like people will just walk around naked here. It's the second time I've seen somebody naked. Are you thirsty for coffee now?
I am. I want a latte.
Latte, I want the Americano.
I also want some eggs.
Omelette or...
An omelet, yeah, an omelet sounds good.
The town had a very relaxed vibe, and we decided to walk in to one of the coffee shops. This coffee shop was located really close to the beach.
Now we're sitting here with this really incredible view over the Pacific Ocean, and we just had one cup of coffee each, and I ordered some kind of nachos. And what did you get?
Omelet. I got another omelet. I love omelets.
Yeah, 130 pesos I think for the meal, so $7. That's, I feel like, kind of what we have been paying since we've been going along the coast here.
Well, it's cheaper than the States, but we've just noticed some restaurants are more expensive than others, just depending on like the location.
Yeah, that's true.
I had really enjoyed the Mexican food. This was the chilaquiles, chicken, rice, beans, some kind of sauce, chips and salsa.
The food was really, really good. Now we are ready to head out, and the view was also really great success here.
We were about to go for a walk through town and then to the other attractions of the day. This seemed more like a true Mexican village compared to the other tourist towns that we had seen.
Hola. Hola. It's a really cool street here in Mazunte. Lots of picturesque views.
before we went to the nearby attractions, we were gonna move real quick.
We came to a new place, also $25 per night. Spent too much money in the last week. It's much better here actually than the previous place. The bed looks much better, so we're gonna try and see how bouncy it is.
So this is what you would get for $25 US in Mazunte. But if you want a really nice hotel, you would need to pay about $70 to $100 per night.
Okay. It's really cute.
Now, finally, we are going again.
The environment in this hotel was nice and only a few minutes from the beach.
We're gonna walk for about 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers to the next town.
San Agustinillo would be the first attraction, and then Zipolite. On the way we saw some really cool hummingbirds. And also some churches next to the road.
So this is a really famous beach here. I think a lot of people don't know about all these nice places along the southern point of Mexico and here in the state of Oaxaca. We're here now, San Agustinillo or something. And it's really cool because the beach goes out into the water and then there's a little rock. Here we have some vultures. The neck is like...
We had walked across the landscape and into the next place called San Agustinillo, which had some really cool beaches sticking out into the ocean.
The frying is really deep here. I starting to feel it's frying on the skin, like a fried egg. Really nice actually. We might go and jump in and cool off. Now we're actually gonna leave Playa San Agustinillo and go to the nude beach that I was talking about earlier in this video. What are we gonna do? Do some push-ups. I had to seek shelter a bit under the canopy, but now we're going out to the desert. Now we're gonna go to this nude beach, and we asked 2 taxi cars so far how much they want. They both said 100 pesos.
We were on our way in the 15-minute taxi ride to the world famous nude beach Zipolite.
Now we're here at Playa Zipolite. It's also a town, I think, and it's a world famous nudist beach. We got like a hippie vibe from this town and also Zipolite here. Usually I feel like when there's a nude beach it's really hippie town. Are you gonna swim naked?
No.
I am going to.
Are you?
Yeah.
Really?
Sure.
I'm gonna film you.
We're here now on the beach. I just ordered a big orange juice. She got the margarita. Really nice. The frying is perfect and the bar here is really nice. We're gonna sit down on the chairs here.
ver si te voy a preparar una margarita.
Sí, sí.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Salud.
To the orange juice. She drank her margarita too quick.
I'm gonna get another.
Let's go swimming.
Yes, swimming.
We're gonna go swimming. We've seen a few naked people here, but obviously we are not gonna film naked people. But we are gonna jump in now. Maybe I will get naked and jump in. Unfortunately, we cannot film it, but actually did not swim naked. I didn't have the guts to do it, so I put on my shorts instead. We've been swimming for a while, but I'm so hungry. We need to go eat something. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Yes, very hungry.
I'm always hungry.
We came up from the beach to walk on the roads by Zipolite.
We're walking through Zipolite, also really nice. Lots of small restaurants here on the sides and some shops.
We got into a taxi and went back to the town of Mazunte, and then to change and have some dinner.
Roommate back in Boulder. Never getting older. The shirt is on. Time to have dinner. We just got here to a restaurant, and I think the best part about going to a restaurant in Mexico is when you order guacamole and chips. Really good.
Yeah, super good.
Before you get the food. And then you get the food and things are even better.
It tastes good.
Very, very, very good. That's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, please leave this video a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you once again.
Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.